Why is TSL logo everywhere? Are you like narcissistic or something that you want to see TSL everywhere, on every wall, in every corner? And someone forgot the charger. They're gonna regret it later. सर जी,
हाँ जी,
दूसरे मीडिया वालों के ऑफिस में टाइल्स लगी हैं, आपने टाइलें क्यों नहीं लगवाई?
पैसे नहीं थे।
ये शीटें क्यों लगवाई हैं पीछे?
शीटें?
पेंट करवाना महंगा पड़ जाता।
पेंट करवाना बहुत महंगा है भाई। पेंटर को बुलाना आसान काम है थोड़ी है आजकल।
अच्छा।
So one has to be very conscious.
People have so many questions about TSL and the most important one of course is funding कहाँ से आ रही है. So let me take you behind the scenes कि हम कहाँ काम करते हैं, कैसे काम करते हैं, फंडिंग कहाँ से आ रही है और एक्चुअली में द वर्क स्पेस दैट वी वर्क इन वो किस तरीके की है. उसी से आपको अंदाज़ा लग जाएगा कि TSL रन करना और ये 3 साल काटना कितना मुश्किल था या कितना आसान था. तो फर्स्टली हम नए ऑफिस में शिफ्ट हुए हैं, शिफ्ट होना पड़ा. पिछला ऑफिस सतवारी में था, बहुत लोगों को बहुत दूर पड़ता था. नाउ वी इन द मिडल ऑफ द सिटी, वी आर इन तालाब तिल. आई विल गिव यू अ स्मॉल टूर कि हमारा ऑफिस आखिर दिखता कैसे है कैसा. दिस इज़ माई रूम एंड यू विल फाइंड TSL लोगोज एवरीवेयर. Not because we're narcissistic, but because we needed nice backgrounds and there was too much space that needed to be covered. And we thought, cheapest way, put the logo everywhere. So we did. मेरे डेस्क के बिल्कुल साथ में there's Steve Jobs. He's an inspiration of course, though you'll find such inspirational people everywhere. If you see right behind my chair, Swami Vivekananda's hair. And the purpose is to essentially fill the space with all the people who inspire you, people who have different ideologies but who have accomplished something in their lives. And it just gives you motivation to go forward, do the things that you want to do in life. And this is my room. That's it. Pretty decent. If you're not familiar with this painting, you should really watch my Instagram reels. This is our newsroom. And it's got more space than our earlier office did, and so we can at least walk around. And when there is nothing to do, we just like to sit on these swirling chairs. This is not me doing the helicopter trend, but if you have a swirling chair and you don't swirl on it, what's the point? Apart from these swirling chairs, we have other desks, chairs for people to sit, discuss their story ideas. This place has been our most favorite ever since we joined, because just look at that rustic color. It's gorgeous, amazing, honestly. There's a library, small library. We're adding more books to it, but we're adding only as much as we can read. So we don't want to fill bookcases with so many books and end up reading none. This bookshelf is filled with reports, economic reports, audit reports, surveys, master plans, documents and documents and documents and documents. So you know that when you see a story on the straight line, why does it have the content that you won't find elsewhere, at least on social media? It's because we do our research, we work, we read, we study. There's magazines here as well, and we try reading as much as we can, because the more you read, the more knowledge you gain. And this is where our Dogri in charge, Surinder Sagarji, sits. That's his chair, his background, everything here is his. And I'm not going to snoop into anyone's drawers, but he has plenty of Dogri books in it. This slider door does not lead to some mystery place. It actually leads to a kitchen. The lights are off right now, but we make our own tea. खुद बनानी पड़ती है भाई चाय. This green board used to be there in our previous office as well. Actually, everything that you see in the office, not everything, but 90% everything is from our previous office. Even the curtains. If you like scroll back and see some of our videos from 2019, you will find us doing videos in front of this curtain or this bookcase on these chairs. So, like, the same stuff that we had 3 years ago we have today. not 3 years ago, 2 years ago actually. It took us 1 year at least to stabilize as much so we can buy this stuff. And everyone has their own desk. Our stuff is just lying around. That's my bottle right there. And someone forgot the charger. They're gonna regret it later. And the next room. Sir, would you like to say hi to the people watching my vlog?
Hello everyone.
So he prefers to keep a closed door because he's always working. But that's another background that we have. And it's a great place to interview people. There's enough space for 2 people to sit.
And it's not a huge corporate office.
Wait, I'll come in.
So it's not a huge corporate office. It's a small office. But the only thing that we are trying to do is we are trying to be as professional as we can be. Our videos may not impress you. Our videos may not be of your taste, but our videos are loaded with content. So we believe in content. So we are sharing content with you, and we would love to see you responding to that.
There's so many people who want to ask, why is TSL logo everywhere? Are you like narcissistic or something that you want to see TSL everywhere, on every wall, in every corner?
It's not so we needed some background, so we decided to paint walls. We had no other option.
Budgeting. पैसे बचाए हैं.
That's how we do things. You have no other option.
That's a camera and mic and stuff. We are yet to back up. And yeah. That's essentially everything. We still have some corners we need to deal with.
There is this provision in this right to education. Prohibition of private tuition by teachers. No.
I'm doing my vlog. We'll focus on the stories afterwards. Okay, so not a corporate office, but we have tried to turn it into something professional. That's why you see so many backgrounds. We need backgrounds for the stories. We have some backgrounds outside as well. I'll try to show that to you in some different video. But just because we have an office now does not mean that we're going to stop with the on-ground reporting. We still go out, we still meet people, we still go to villages, and we're going to bring you stories that you won't find anywhere else. We'll keep on trying to do that at least. So before you ask कि funding कहाँ से आ रही है, कम से कम हालत देख लो. If you come to our office, we will offer you a cup of tea, but that's all we can do. Apart from, of course, listening to your story and doing it if we think that it's worth it. द पॉइंट इज़ कि हमारी हालत देख के समझ आ ही गया होगा कि किस तरीके से मीडिया हाउस चला रहे हैं. बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं, दिन रात एक कर रहे हैं, हार्डवर्क कर रहे हैं, किसी से फंडिंग नहीं ले रहे हैं, एडवर्टीजमेंट भी नहीं ले रहे हैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी वी आर ट्राइंग टू कीप थिंग्स प्रोफेशनल. सो ऑल यू कैन डू इज़ कि अगर आपको TSL अच्छा लगता है, स्टोरीज अच्छी लगती है, बिकम आवर मेंबर, सब्सक्राइब to our YouTube channel, and that's the way you can support us. We've shifted to Talab Tillo. I don't know if I told you the address. We're in Talab Tillo, Vikas Lane. And since it's a media house, and since we're in the middle of the city, if anyone has any story they want to share, they can come in at any time. If you have any problems, any grievances, you can show up at any time.